Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Samsung finally rolled out that feature which people has been demanding since years and years and years, and now Samsung finally rolled out that feature on S26 series on One UI 8.5. But the good news is guys, now you can get that feature in your older Samsung phones also. As you can see, I have this Samsung S23 FE running One UI 8, but I have that feature, and obviously you guys know that which feature I'm talking about because you have seen the thumbnail and read the title also. Obviously I'm talking about now you can share files from Samsung to Apple phones using QuickShare, and you know that QuickShare is the easiest way to share the big files like 5 GB 6 GB files. You can just share in just few seconds. So this is the biggest feature, I guess. So in this video I will show you how you can get this feature on your older Samsung phones also. First let me show you, if I go to QuickShare over here, and this is the new UI, okay, and this is the new QuickShare also. You can see the pill shape menu over here. This is the template of One UI 8.5. This is the new UI, and you can see there is an option, and when you receive and send the files, there are new UI as well. So if I now go to settings, okay, here you might be see an option called where we share with Apple device, as you can see, and I have this S23 FE running on One UI 8. So if I tap on here, so you can clearly read, it says share with iPhone, iPads, Macs and other device that supports AirDrop. Obviously in Apple there is AirDrop, in Android or Samsung phones it's QuickShare. Okay, so now obviously here are some instruction also, you can read it. Now let me show you how you can get this. Alright guys, you must have this latest APK of QuickShare. Obviously go to Play Store or Samsung store and update your what we call QuickShare, and there are some this is the important one, I guess, which where is that QuickShare agent and QuickShare extension, I guess. So this is the 4 APK which I have extract from my device. So obviously I will give you the download link in description. Go, if you haven't got this feature yet, just go and download all this APK and update it. And after updating, if you will open this QuickShare, okay, if you will open the QuickShare and if you will go to settings, you might see this option called share with Apple devices. All right, so it's pretty easy. Okay, you just have to update your QuickShare, and here are the latest version of APK. You just have to download and update it. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for watching this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and please let me know in the comment if this will work on your Samsung phone or not. Okay, so thank you very much once again. Bye, take care. Please like this video, and if you have any questions, do comment. I will definitely reply and help you. Bye, take care.